Today I'm starting with this beautiful picture frame that I'm going to be recycling. I'm going to give it a couple of coats with this chalk white paint. I'm coming in with my hot gun and I am going to help it dry. I also have this burlap ribbon. I'm going to be putting it on all four corners. I purchased this beautiful bunny rabbit at Dollar Tree along with this adhesive vinyl paper. I'm going to be decorating the rabbit with it. I'm going to be sticking the rabbit to the vinyl paper and then coming in with my X-Acto knife and cutting the excess vinyl paper out. Now that the paper is already on the bunny, I'm coming in with the bunny tail. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it. And if you follow me, you know that I like my jute twine. I'm gonna make a little bow and using just a little dot of hot glue, I'll put it on his neck, just like you see right here. And I'm gonna use some of this greenery also to attach it to the bow. And look how beautiful it's coming out. So I'm gonna start putting the picture frame all together. I'm gonna start making it look beautiful. I have this, it's sort of like a Jenga block. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it to the back of the bunny, only to make it look like it's 3D. And I'm gonna glue it right over here. I also have a smaller bunny. I'm gonna do almost the same process, but this time it's going to be in pink. And now that I did almost the same exact thing to the smaller bunny, I'm going to be putting this little wooden block from Dollar Tree and I'm going to put it facing the bigger bunny. And now it's time to make my favorite messy bowl with these ribbons. I'm taking 9 pieces, I'm putting them together, coming in with some jute twine and tying all of these together. Once that is done, I'm gonna come in again and cut the tails. Make it look like that. I think it looks pretty. And then of course the greenery. I'm gonna take several of these pieces of greenery and I am going to put them right here on the bowl. Look how gorgeous. And with the same ribbon, I am going to go ahead and put it in the middle of the bowl so it could look nice and finished. And with some hot glue, just go ahead and stick it to the frame and we are absolutely done. I hope you enjoy this beautiful DIY. And if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I have some mason jars that I'm going to be recycling and these are the colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to wait until they're dry and then I'm coming in with this twisted craft paper and I'm going to put it on the neck of all 3 of these mason jars. And when I said recycle, I meant recycle. These jars are from spaghetti sauce. I have these letters from Dollar Tree that I'm going to be painting in pink, putting it to the side, and I am going to be using these flowers. I purchased 4 of these for 50 cents at a garage sale. I bought the whole box. I think it was like 26 of them, but I think I made a good deal because look, 4 pieces for 50 cents. I love it. In the meantime, I'm going to be painting this platter with Rust-Oleum white spray paint. I'm going to put it to the side so that it could dry, and then I'll come back with the mason jar so I can continue to embellish them. I have this little egg from Dollar Tree. I already painted light peach, and that's going to be my O. And now that the other letters are completely dry, the H and the P, I will put them on the front of this mason jar. And now it's time to use those beautiful purple flowers. I am in love with them. And I also purchased 2 bunny heads, and the 2 bunny heads, I purchased them from Dollar Tree, and I will be hot gluing it to the front of these mason jars. I am in love with this arrangement. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I want to thank you. I want to ask you to please go into that comment section and introduce yourself and let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. And don't forget, consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet beautiful DIY. And if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I have these 3 pieces of glass. I got the fishbowl, the plate that I'm recycling, and this top of a candle. I'm going to be putting them one on top of the other. Continue to watch so this can make sense. Once that they are glued together, I'm gonna come in with some jute twine, and I am going to wrap it around the top of the candle holder, which is right here where I'm putting the hot glue on. I lost the footage when I was hot gluing it, but there's nothing to it. This is the way it turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I have another top that I'm recycling, also from a candle. I'm going to take the plastic part out, and I'm just going to put it inside the fishbowl just to give some stability to it. I have these 2 little rabbits that I bought at a secondhand store for 50 cents. I'm going to be hot gluing it to the candle top that we just put inside the fishbowl. Continue to watch so this can make sense. And look how beautiful this turned out. And now I have some cookies and creams, which I'm going to put inside. And this project is done. I hope you like it. I have this charger plate that I already painted in gray. I also have some of these gel stickers that I bought at Dollar Tree. This is something that you could probably do with one of your kids. This is something nice and fun. This is gel, so once you peel it out, it looks like it's rubbery. It's fun. I had a lot of fun making this one. And the good thing about this is that when the season is over, you could just peel it out and you could replace and put anything else on the charger. That's exactly what I did. Later on the video, you will see. So now I have these wooden beads that I put around the plate. I'll be hot gluing it soon. But in the meantime, this is the way that it's looking. I also have some ribbon that I will also be hot gluing to this beautiful charger. I hope you're enjoying these simple DIYs. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel. And don't forget to share it also with your families and friends so they can also enjoy these videos. And now that all these flowers are almost put together, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the plate around, put the jute twine in, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoy this simple DIY.